Unlock the future of iPod creation by mastering the launch and setup of Sora 2 with this comprehensive guide. First, ensure your system meets the foundational requirements. Sora 2 thrives on powerful hardware, so a graphics card with at least 12 GB of VRAM is highly recommended. Alongside ample RAM and a fast processor, check the official Sora 2 documentation for precise specifications relevant to your operating system, whether that's Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Next, download the official Sora 2 installer from the verified developer website. Be cautious of unofficial sources to prevent security risks once downloaded. Locate the installer file on your computer and initiate the setup process by double-clicking it. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully, accepting license agreements, and choosing your installation directory. A simple next finish approach is usually all that's needed for the core files. After installation, the first launch might involve a brief initialization period. You may be prompted to create an account or sign in. If you already have one, this step is crucial for accessing online features and updates once logged in. Take a moment to explore the user interface. Familiarize yourself with the main dashboard, input areas, and any initial tutorials or walkthroughs offered. Troubleshooting common issues is key to a smooth experience. If Sora 2 fails to launch, first try restarting your computer. Ensure your graphics drivers are up to date, as outdated drivers are a frequent culprit. If you encounter persistent errors, consult the official Sora 2 community forums or support pages. Often, others have faced and solved similar problems. Remember, a clean installation, up-to-date drivers, and adherence to system requirements are your secrets to unlocking Sora 2's full potential, paving the way for your most innovative creations.